This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 1 of formatting irregular numbers in Excel. Excel is designed to store and compute numbers up to 15 digits of precision. The application automatically reformats numbers based on the assumption that numbers are input for calculation. If you're working with a long string of numbers, zip codes, or special formats, you will need to take extra steps to display them on the spreadsheet. In our example, data has been exported from the database into Excel. The first issue is the way the account numbers display. Because the account numbers are a long string of numbers, the application automatically displays in scientific notation. To convert the numbers into a normal format, select the cells that should be updated. On the Home tab, click the dialog box launcher in the Numbers section. Select Number in the Category field. Since this is an account number, decimals do not make sense. Change the decimal place to 0 and click OK. Next, the zip code column should be updated. Zip codes that start with a 0 now only have 4 digits. Even if you attempt to retype the zip code with the first number being 0, the 0 is removed because it is not needed in normally formatted numbers. To update the formatting, select the appropriate cells. Click the dialog box launcher in the Numbers section and select Special in the Category field. Select Zip Code in the Type field and click OK. Notice the numbers that once were 4 digits are now 5 digits. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.